If you want to speed up your website, then this video is for you. In this video, we're going to talk about Elementor Image Optimizer Plugin. So we're going to look at how the Image Optimizer Plugin works and how we can use it to speed up our website. Now, I have already tested the plugin and it works fine. So what I did was, install the plugin, connect my the plugin to Elementor, and then I started to optimize, do bulk optimization because I had images, about 200 and something images on the website already. Okay, and that is exactly what I did. Now this is the website I'm talking about, this particular website over here, and this website is hosted with Elementor e-commerce hosting. So I have Elementor e-commerce hosting, which is already fast, but I also use the image optimizer to make sure that the website run faster. Now let's look at the page speed insights before I even tested the plugin. Now this is how it was. Overall performance was 76 on mobile and then 97 on desktop. Now this was fast enough for me, okay, but I still wanted to test the plugin to know, because if you look at it over here, the total blocking time was 230 milliseconds, and then the speed index is 2.9 seconds, okay, which was okay. It was okay. It was fine for me because people can be able to reach it, okay. But after testing the plugin, this is what happened. Now, after testing the plugin, I got 80% performance, overall performance on mobile, and then I got 98% overall performance on desktop. Now if you look at it over here, now this time around there's no total blocking time for desktop, and the speed is 1 second. Okay, so the speed index is 1 second, which is very fast. Now if you go to mobile over here also, the total blocking time was 130 milliseconds, and then the speed is 2.1. Before I checked it, the speed was 2.9 over here, but now it is 2.1. Means that the plugin did something, okay. Means that the plugin did. Now I didn't have much images on it, but it was able to do magic for me over here, and that is why I want to let you guys see how the plugin works. And if you want to use it on your website, you can go for it. Now let's get into the video. Let me take you to my website over here, and I already have installed the website over here, but as you can see, I haven't connected anything. I've already installed a plugin. I've already installed a plugin, and I'm going to show you that the plugin is already installed. Okay, that is over here, Image Optimizer, by Elementor. Okay, so Elementor over here. Now, Image Optimizer compress, resize, and optimize your image. So if you want to speed up your website, then you need to resize and compress some of your your images, or even all your images, so that it wouldn't take large space on your website. And that is very important for those of you who have an e-commerce website that you upload images all the time, or those of you who deal in selling of images and other stuff. If your website really contains a lot of images, then this Image Optimizer plugin is the best for you. Now let's look at how it works. Okay, so now after installing it, what do you have to do? You need to connect it. Okay, so I'm going to click over here which says connect, right, and see how the connection is going to be like. So it's going to take you to the plugin settings over here, and this is the plugin settings. So as you can see, you can save spaces and other stuff on your website. I can connect this one. Now I have 0 up to, they said up to 1,000, but then I have 5,000 credit. Okay, so because what I have over here is for 5,000, I just need to connect it. Okay, so if I connect it, I click over here to connect to start. It's going to connect to my Elementor subscription. So I have connected my email address to Elementor and Elementor subscription and other stuff. So just make sure that you connect to your Elementor subscription. And then as you can see, at the moment I click connect. Now if you haven't, if you haven't opened Elementor already, or if you are not even on your Elementor website, when you click over here, it will take you to Elementor, and then you have to log in with your Elementor login address. And then what you will do is you will just click on connect, and then it will connect you. Now when it connects, if only you have bought the plugin, okay. Now I bought the plugin, I have the plugins over here. So when you connect, what is you're gonna get is exactly what you bought. Now I got this particular one over here. Now if you look at the pricing over here, I got this one, which is 5,000 image credit. So that is exactly what I'm using over here. So images in my plan is 5,000, okay. So I can optimize up to 5,000 images. Now let's look at the settings of it. Now if you look at this one, is a subscription status. Let's look at the compression level. We have lossless and then lossy, okay. So now with the lossless, you can compress an image without losing its let's say data and other stuff. But with this one, you can compress it and still lose a lot of data, like the metadata and all those kind of stuff. It removes a lot of data from it, okay. And that is what the lossless and lot. Now sometimes some of the metadata and all those things, you might not need it. You just need to, or it will just reduce the quality of the of the image, okay. So you can choose between the one that you want, and then you do it. And then we also have optimize new upload. So if you want to optimize new uploads, meaning that whenever you upload a new image, the plugin will automatically optimize it, okay. And then resize larger images. So allow large image resize, so up to maximum of what 1920, okay. So pixels width and height. So if you want to, you can set up your own over here. If you want to resize it, you can resize it also over here. And then when the image is too large, it will be able to resize over here. And then clear EXIF metadata, so it will clear some other metadata like date, time, location, and all those kind of stuff. It's going to clear it for you. And then also backup original images. So this takes up additional space in your library. So if you want to backup original images, you can do so over here. And then convert to a different format. So you can also convert to a different format, WebP or AVIF format, or you can keep the original format. It all depends on you, but I think you can choose between this one, which really helps your website to move faster, okay. And then also, because a lot of people are using the WebP and then the AVIF format to images for on their website, which is very good for image optimization and other stuff. So make sure that you choose between these two, and then you do it. And then file optimization, so you can also either custom files or all your files. So in addition to your original upload, you can optimize the versions resized by WordPress. Each additional size counts as a credit. So WordPress, when you upload, WordPress creates different versions of your images that you create. So you can also do same over here. You can optimize all of them. And then this one is what actions, advanced actions over here. So if you want to restore your original images, if you want to remove backups completely, and then your subscription settings also over here. If you want to deactivate, you can do so, meaning that you can deactivate and activate it on a new, even if it is part that particular website can work with the subscription that you have. You can be able to use it over here. So now what I'm going to do is I have total of 256 images on my website. I want to optimize them, okay. So I'm going to click over here to say optimize all. So it's going to optimize all my images for me, and it's going to do bulk optimization. So let's wait and see what it's going to do. So as you can see, the original size and the current size, and then the optimization level is over here. Okay, so we're going to wait and then see how all these things are done for us. So it is still working, so I'm going to wait and then come back to you later on. Alright guys, so the optimization is complete, and as you can see over here, it optimized all the 250 something 50 I think 60 images, and then it left only 4. I don't know why, but it's complete, and is 98% complete. And then I was able to save space of what, 48%. Okay, so the initial size was 4.5 5 megabyte, and now the current size is 2.36 megabyte. Now let's go through it. You see all the images now. With this image, the original size was 20.21 kilobyte, and now the current size is what, 6.88. So 66% optimization level. Now if you go, some of them did great, like over here for instance, it was 406 kilobyte. Now it is 27.26 kilobyte. Okay, so this one also did really bad. I don't know why. Maybe it didn't want to lose much over there, but it was 350 kilobyte, and it's still 307 kilobyte, which is only 12%. But overall, I think it's quite okay. Since the space is what the space has been reserved, I'm glad that I did this test to see. But as you can see, you can at the moment you upload an image, it will optimize it for you, and that is how this optimization, image optimization, really works. Okay, so you can test your website to see how it ranks well and other stuff. But overall, this is the image optimization from Elementor. And if you want to optimize your WordPress website to make sure that it runs faster, then go ahead and get the image optimization plugin from Elementor website builders, and then you can be able to optimize your website to make your website run faster. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and let's grow together. Bye bye.